welcome back to my channel. I am MakeupMenaree. Today I am going to make over my beauty room. Well, it's not really a beauty room, it's a recording room. And I figured I would take you guys along with me in regards to getting stuff for the room. I only want to spend like maybe $100 because a bitch is on a budget. I have my daughter with me, Xavier. You guys know and love her. But yeah, so I want to take you guys along today. We're gonna go to like the dollar store, Walmart, you know, all the cheap bitch places, and get some stuff for the room. I have a little list of things I want to get, and so I'll show you guys some before pictures, and then we'll show you after we're all done. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Just went to Burlington and I got a little plant, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. I forgot to record, sorry, I'm not good at this. Now we are in Bath and Body Works, and she's just looking at candles. You're not too cheap to get any candles, so I'll just borrow hers for when I record. Okay, so she suckered me in and got me a candle as well.
You did that to yourself.
It smells really, really good. So now I think we're heading to Walmart to look for some shelves. Okay, so Walmart doesn't have shit. A little upset because we drove all the way over here for them not to have anything here. Not even like any like regular shelves. They did have a lot of stuff online, but I ain't trying to order anything online. I just want to buy some shit and get my stuff put together. So I think we're going to go to another store that is local in this area. I don't know if you guys have it anywhere else. It's called Big Lots, and they have like a lot of like discount furniture and stuff over there. So we're going to try that, and then maybe Ross. So yeah, wish us luck because I need at least I need a shelf. So yeah, see y'all in a little bit. Okay, so I'm getting this shelf, which is perfect, I think, and I'm making her pull it. Huh? Go to the register. Look, I told her to push it with her coochie. This is what kids are good for. Manual labor. Struggle is real. Okay, so we just got that little cube shelf in Big Lots. I didn't see any like decor there, but we are going to go to the dollar store for the last place that we need to go. And I just ran into one of my subbies, so it was great meeting you. If you guys see me out walking around, come and say hi. I love to talk to you guys. And yeah, it's cool to meet you guys, so don't be shy. Just come up and say hi to me.
See me alone, just hit me up, tell me I know your mama G.
But anyway, we're gonna go ahead, like I said, to the dollar store, hopefully find the last few decorative items and get home and put this damn shelf together and show you guys the finished look.
Go get a hibiscus tree.
She wants to get a damn actual tree.
Bush, technically.
It's a tree. And
it's
I don't know.
Bush.
I asked her where we were gonna put it. We are in her little tiny car. Where are we gonna put a tree at? We're not in my truck. Where are we gonna put a tree?
We'll go drop this stuff off.
Oh, we're making special trips for trees now.
Special trips and trees, bro.
I see you. Why are you so happy with these trees? Okay, so my child convinced me to get this tree. You can see she's back there. There's a plant back there for the room, and then this tree is gonna go downstairs somewhere, so she's excited. Okay, so besides the ivy, the plant that we grabbed, this is everything that I bought. I also got in this box a makeup storage organizer from Amazon that will be shown in the final look, and I already had this plant stand. Okay, so here is the before. You can see I just had a few pictures on the wall behind me. Not really any organization or storage for all the makeup that I store up here. Just, yeah, plain and really not cute. Okay, so here is the after. I went ahead and angled everything sort of in the corner, so I had two walls to show behind me. That way I could hang more stuff on the walls. Yeah, so this is everything that we grabbed. There is the plant. The plant was about $12. The pictures are here that I printed off from work, so the pictures were free. The picture frames were like $1.50. This is the picture that I'd already had. For the shelving unit, I got that for $40. This makeup storage organizer was $25, and then all these other things were from the dollar store. That's another picture that I printed off for free. The globe, it was from the dollar store. The plant is the one I grabbed from Burlington, and then the bottom shelf, because nobody can see it, I'm just using for organization, for extra storage. This was a file holder that I ordered on Amazon for $7 or so. And yeah, these were from the dollar store along with these silver, I don't know, they're like metal chips. But anyway, I will link everything that I got on Amazon in the description box below. Yeah, if you guys had any questions, just leave them down below. But I think it turned out amazing. I spent just under $100, and I'm so happy with how this turned out. Okay, so this is what you guys will see from now on behind me. I went ahead and added a couple more pictures that I had printed off that I didn't have frames for. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.